So this is gonna be my simple video on how to get modding for Doom Eternal, and this will work for Windows and Game Pass editions, but you need to do different things to actually get them to work, and by Windows I mean Steam. So basically, you're gonna go into the Doom Eternal modding server, which is our Doom Eternal modding hub, and the Doom 2016 Plus modding server. You're gonna join both of them if you're not already in them, and I'll have the links to them in my description. But basically, you're gonna go to Mod Injector, and you're gonna, if you're on Game Pass, you're gonna do this. I'll explain how to do this. If you're on Windows, you can do this, and I'm not going to go over Linux because it's confusing for me at least. But yeah, so basically what you're going to do is this is going to be the explanation for the Game Pass people, because it is really hard to do, and I actually had problems with it. And so basically, you're gonna go in the mod injector area in the modding hub, download this zip file, and you're gonna run it, or you're gonna extract it, then run it in My Files Explorer. And whenever you have, oops, I keep on opening this. Whenever you have, you're gonna go ahead and follow the instructions. There'll be messages, just follow them. And at the end, you're going to have to wait 20 to 40 minutes, let the mod injector extract, and then you'll actually have access to your Doom Eternal files. Then once you do, now if you are for Windows, you didn't have to do any of that. I just want to point that out. If you're for Game Pass, you have to do that because it unencrypts the Doom Eternal files. But for the Steam edition, it's already just unencrypted as it is. And to access it for people on Game Pass, go to Games, and it'll just be there, or it'll be all your games that you have access to, and then Doom Eternal, and just activate that. And then for Steam, go here, and there should be like Steam. Click on that, go to Common Games, and Doom Eternal should be in there. But anyways, once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and go to your downloads and find your Doom Dumper thing, or basically the thing you just downloaded, and inside there should be files. You're gonna copy them, go to base, and you're gonna copy them like down here, and that should make everything work. And then just to check, run the Eternal mod injector, which should be in your PC, and whenever you run it, it should say if something's wrong, and if it is, just go ahead and try your best to fix it and see if you can. It's really easy to fix problems with it, unless you have to download like other files, but that's just downloading other files. But so basically, you're just going to want to copy those files, and then for Steam, I'm pretty sure you download this right here, the Eternal mod injector, and just set it up, and that's it. But for Game Pass, you're gonna have to put the files in base, and then apply run the Eternal mod injector, or move it into your. I think that's what you have to do. You have to move the Eternal mod injector from your Doom Dumper file into the Doom Eternal base files and run it. And that's basically how you do mods for Game Pass and Steam. And I think that's the easiest way I figured out how to do this, even though I don't really call it figuring it out, because someone made the link. And also, if you want to, there's a Nexus feed on here, so you can see all of the recent mods. So like, there's simply faster movement, BFG, and Unmaker Unleashed. I'll have to check out some of these. Blood X-Bone 3.0, Blood Golem Slayer, which is a remaster of the Skullface skin, Retromaniacs, Doom 2, Super Shotgun. There's a bunch of them on here. And there's a lot on here because of the new update that came out recently. Everyone's having to update their Doom Eternal mods now. But yeah, there's a lot of here. You're going to find a decent amount of them. And so yeah, that's that. And then on the 2016 Plus modding server, there should be somewhere It's gonna take me a minute to find it, but it's a file to unlock some of the cheat codes that you can do. If I can find it, I'll show it, but I don't know if I'll be able to. I think it's in Eternal Tools, so I'm in the right channel. Yeah, here it is. You'll have to go up through Eternal Tools in the 2016 plus modding server, but it's gonna be right here. It's called XNIPUT1 underscore free dot DLL. Just download that and then put it right here, and that will unlock. This is gonna go ahead and unlock console commands. And then whenever you have everything done, just make sure you run internal mod injector. You're gonna want to run it like every single time you load up do internal, especially now that you have access to mods, because you're just gonna make sure everything works correctly. So yeah, that's basically my tutorial on how I did it. And then I just went on Nexus mods, and then on Nexus mods I just searched up a bunch of random mods. Like I know one of them was Hugo car scope, and that'll bring up like a well, it didn't come up that time, but if you type in scope, I'm pretty sure it pulls up as well. You just have to take a minute to look for it. It's right here, Hugo Mobile scope. That's what it is. That's the scope that I have. And then also there's Bloodlux. Oh, Bloodlux, and that there's the Bloodlux skin pack and the weapon pack. I use the Bloodlux skin all the time. And also Nilfhelm weapon pack, and there also is a skin. I'm pretty sure I saw one soon ago. Yeah, Emperor of Nilfhelm and rivalry of Nilfhelm. So I'm assuming that's the enemies or enemy reskins. Emperor of Nilfhelm, Slayer, Fallen Warrior of Nilfhelm, Marauder. Slayer skin replaces Sentinel. Yeah, so basically you get the idea. So yeah, that's basically my tutorial. If you want for some reason to do the Linux, install Linux mod injector, just go ahead and try this. Just do what it says, download and extract all the files to the Doom Eternal folder. Make the file executable and all that, and then yeah, that's basically my tutorial on how to do this. So yeah, goodbye.